Alright guys, so I'm working on a 2016 Ram 1500. Got some LED issues on my taillights. They're starting to burn on the outside corner. So I ordered these Anzo lights, 311471. Got them from Napa. They resemble the 5th gen taillights. It's a direct plug and play. They do come with some parts for their halogen, your resistors and adapters. It is packaged decently. So there's your plug for your factory LEDs. It looks like it's nice and watertight. And that's how it resembles the 5th gen Rams. All you will need to remove your old taillights is a T25 Torx. 2 screws there. They do have these retaining clips, but the new headlights come with the retaining clips built in, so don't fret if you break them. Alright, so for you guys that have the halogen ones, you're probably going to have this reverse bulb. The bulb for your actual taillights. That's what these adapters are for. It comes with a resistor, with some 3M tape. You're going to want to really clean the inside of these up. And then you got your plugs and your adapter from the new taillight. They give you instructions, very vague, but pretty simple. Alright guys, so I got the new taillights installed. Took me under 15 minutes removing and installing the new ones. I would say probably even under 10 minutes. They do look pretty sharp. Real nice, easy install. Direct plug and play with the LED ones. So here's a daylight demonstration inside of a shop. But it's pretty bright in here. You'll get the picture. Here's locking it. Here's unlocking it. Here's remote start. Nice and simple. Nice and bright running lights.